Are you renting your property yourself? Before you choose a tenant, there is something every owner should know. Finding a tenant may be easy. Finding the right tenant and protecting yourself before the lease is signed is what really matters. Weak application, questionable documents, or an incomplete lease can lead to unpaid rent and an expensive landlord and tenant board dispute. I'm Avi Rosen, a real estate broker with 50 years of experience and an Ontario-licensed paralegal. I help owners screen prospective tenants, review their documents, prepare the lease, and identify legal risks before they become expensive disputes. If you are an owner renting a house or condominium for $3,000 per month or more, contact me before choosing your tenant. Together, we are stronger.